This is the most beautiful cat in the nature. This cat looks so innocent, cute, and a bit funny with this a beautiful kitten. These two cats are the gorgeous looking cats. During the night time, cats don't sleep enough, yet they relax. In fact, they like searching different insects and they like eating insects. This beautiful cat is the beautiful Tabby cat. This cat is listening to me. She is not denying me at all. You could listen to the loud noise of the insect. Surely this noise is not away from the cute Tabby cat. She might found the insect, grab it and eat it quickly. This cat is purring at the night. The loud noise of the insect doesn't allow my cute Tabby cat to sleep enough during the night time, yet my cute cat is relaxing. She is looking so beautiful, cute, and the most beautiful domestic cat in the nature. See you, my dear and beloved kitty cat. Tomorrow again. Take care.